The man left the screen who has won the Olympic Games twice. Only man in history at this distance. Away. Bile's out the back early. And Coe fourth. Domingo Oliveira of the Americas leads Poland. Then Nakayama of Japan. Cascio of Spain. Coe fourth. Herold East Germany. An Olympic medalist last year in Seoul. De Napoli three from the back. Bile the African in the orange strip, two from the back, and Harrington. And Coe in third placing, and you can feel it tingle in the air, Ron Clark.
You can indeed. It's a very, very steady pace. It's not quick, but it's not real slow either. Coe's in the perfect position. He's a very good tactician now. Used to running in a field, and early in his career he didn't like a field around him, but now he can manoeuvre himself in and out round fields. He always makes certain he's in the right spot with a lap to go. That's the important time. The leader swung away. They're starting to play cat and mouse a little in the front.
Oliveira, the South American champion from Brazil, leads in the blue strip. Asia second, Great Britain Coe third, Dean Paulin fourth. First lap pretty quick, 57.6. Then Herold, the tall Italian for Europe, De Napoli fifth. So there's Coe in the middle of the screen, Herold behind him, De Napoli, and in the orange strip, the world champion Abdi Bile. Fastest man in the world this year and winner of the Dream Mile. So Coe is fourth. Dean Paulin's moved up second, Herold fifth, and Bile in eighth position.
It slowed up a little in pace. They went down the back straight fairly slowly. Abdi Bile looks as though he's literally jogging. He's very easy. He's one of the best movers I've ever seen in track and field over 1,500 metres. He's a beautiful looking runner. He's not getting so far back this time. He often gets right back and doesn't even make a move until the last lap, but he's starting to get an eye on Coe. He's not going to let Coe get more than 2 or 3 metres on him.
Nakayama from Japan for Asia leads. Coe moves up alongside Dean Paulin, the 21-year-old from Melbourne. There's Coe, Herold fourth, who ran a magnificent race yesterday. 61-second lap. Then De Napoli in the white. There's Bile, the world champion from Somalia, the great African. Harrington behind him with Oliveira. So the Asian starts to stretch them a little. Paulin, Coe, Herold, Bile, and behind them De Napoli. Will this be Coe's last run, and can he come home a winner? Or will Bile win as he's done most of this year? Coe's going to have to take Bile up to them, Ron.
Yeah, I think Coe will wait a little yet. Coe's in a good position. They know they can keep the Asian in front. Bile's going to sit right on Coe, though. He's not going to give Coe any speed at all. Coe's renowned for his change of pace. Bile's got speed, but Coe's got change of pace, and this is the most important part in Coe's career, his ability to switch suddenly and get 2 or 3 metres on somebody and then hang on to them. But Bile's going to track him all the way now.
What a moment in the sport this is. Coe leading, the man who's won the Olympics twice, against the African, the world champion. Coe starts to stretch Bile, then De Napoli and Herold. The crowd roars, and has Coe at 32 years of age still got the kick in his legs for Bile. Coe winds it up, and Bile runs up alongside of him. The African joins Coe. Hasn't quite got him yet. Coe and Bile. Bile takes him and runs in on him. Herold coming at both of them. Bile in front of Coe. Herold trying to go to them. Bile's in front, and Bile wins for Africa. It was a great race. Coe was second, a mighty run as well, and Herold was third. Sure, Coe didn't win, but there was no disappointment in that last lap.
None at all. That was a magnificent last lap. Coe didn't change pace. He just kept going and going. The old Coe would have kicked around that top bend, and he would have made 2 or 3 metres, and that would have been enough to win the race. I think he's 3 years ago, Coe was a better runner than what Bile is right now. Coe right then would have accelerated in the old stage 2 or 3 years. He just had got to have that kick right now that he used to have. Bile stretched into him a little bit there. Coe's pushed him back out, given himself room. I don't think they'll disqualify Bile for that, but he just certainly crowded him. But Coe's hung on all the way down the straight. He can't give anything away on his heart. He's really kept us going all the way down and fought off Jans Peter Herold.
And Bile comes home to win. Coe second, Herold third. Dean Paulin has run fifth. Watch Coe strain, number 955. How many times have we seen that before? Bile winning a memorable 1,500. And Ron, I know that Coe had a good long look at the replay on the big screen there, and this is what he was watching. Watch Bile left the screen. Coe puts his hand on his shoulder, says to Abdi, give me some room, tries to barge his way through. And it was a good story for Australia too, Ron, because Dean Paulin has run a great race in 5th.
Very good race. Dean's really excelled himself in that race. It's a very good experience to be in a race of this class.
So the 1500, it wasn't the fairy tale ending we wanted, but it was a great race just the same. And what a champion this man is, the 26-year-old from Somalia. And the result of the men's 1500 with the 52-second last lap, Abdi Bile first, and takes Africa to the front by 1 point. Sebastian Coe, a great run in maybe his last performance.